We have been using a winning trading idea for more than 1 year called DS weekly income. So many of my traders, they ask me, sir, can you explain a bit more about this DS weekly income, which we are, using for more than a year with very high success probability? So let's focus today on the DS weekly income and the protected version using the platform Algo Finders. Let me share my screen. And we can see here now, market down about 330 points. The DS weekly income regular is making about 1,000 rupees of profit. And the DS weekly income moderate protection is making about 1390 rupees of profit. If you remember, on Friday when the market was up, the DS weekly regular was making about 2,200 rupees profit. This was making a loss of about 700 rupees. So, what is DS weekly income regular? It is a strangle of a Nifty, having a very high probability, more than 85%. And the DS weekly income moderate protection is also a strangle of Nifty, but here we are using a call hedge as a protection. In a regular one, I'm using both Nifty and Bank Nifty strangles, while in the protected version, I use only Nifty with a 3:1 ratio and using a call hedge. So, how will we know which one to use when? A very ideally, when you're expecting a little bearish market, I use a 1:1 ratio. That way, on about a 4 lakh rupees of capital, my maximum risk is 8,000 rupees. This one starts on a Tuesday at 11 o'clock, finishes next Monday at 2 o'clock on its own. Now, a very simple way to look at it, like for example, if we check out here, this is Nifty. And if you see in the morning, Nifty after a up move, it has corrected down. So very easy, simple method to know what kind of a market you are into is use a monthly trend line. What is a monthly trend line? A moving average of a 20 using exponential moving average. So let's do that. So if we check out here and apply it, you can see here the market above this is normally a market that is more on the bullish side. And whenever the market goes below it, it starts giving a bearish tone. So somewhere here around this level, a 1:1 ratio is a good one, but if the price goes below this, I would prefer to use a moderate protection or even a high protection in this stat, the trading ideas that we have. So you can even use a combination. Let's say in this, I can add a moving average of a weekly trend line, which is 5-period moving average. And if we see this, so we can see here, as long as the both the moving averages are bullish, we can stick to DS weekly regular, you know, or a combination of DS weekly regular and a DS weekly moderate protection. But whenever there is a crossover on the downward side, DS weekly regular is likely to hit the stop loss, and the moderate protection would be a much better option. Like here, if you see, The market has gone almost 340 points down. There's a very strong correction. But overall, I'm still making about, 2,200 into these strategies. Also use trending strategies like this DS daily stock income. Bearish strategies gave me a 7,600. This BSC timeless gave me a 1,500. So when you are using algos, the key is to use proper reward to risk ratios and understand in what kind of market, what kind of strategies will work. You can go for a free trial. There's a link below. Click on that and get a free trial, where you get 1,000 rupees recharge into your account, real money, and you can try your own trading ideas or work on our trading ideas on paper trading first. And once you know which one works and which one doesn't work, then you can bring in the real money. I wish you success.